How to add captions or subtitles to a video in Descript. So hello there guys, the first thing that we are going to do is to simply open our Descript application. As you can see, I have already opened a file right here, and what I need to do is to add a video onto my file. So here we just need to click on it and then simply add the video right there. Now here in this section, you can actually add your subtitle. So here you just need to add your caption in the untitled section. And here if you want to add a file to transcribe, you can simply click on Ctrl+Shift+K or click on the plus button and add a file into the script. So here you just need to simply look for a file that you would want to add onto your video, especially if you have a pre-written script already, then that works well for you guys. So there, let's try to see if I do have any documents available for the script. However, I cannot find one. So if you do not have an available file with you guys, you can actually simply start writing here in the left hand section. So say for example, I'm gonna type in how to send money with PayPal to another country. Okay, and then it will simply add the caption onto your video once you've saved it. Okay, now if you would want to have like an hour-long transcription, you need to upgrade your plan and increase your transcription limit. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this video helpful.